The Dow was down 972 points at the lows of the day. That was in the last hour of trade, and then it rallied back. Big comeback in the final minutes of the trading session, only ended down more than 600 points. Economist David Rosenberg of Rosenberg Research joins us now. David, you've been pretty bearish on the economy and on this idea that we should be buying every dip. We've heard that from a number of strategists over the past hour and a half. Do you feel differently given how you're assessing the global economic realities right now?
Right. Well, Sarah, thanks for having me on. You know, we really haven't had, really since I would say October of last year, there's not been many dips that you could have bought. But the point I was making, yes, I was saying all along that, the vitality in the U.S. economy came down to vaccines and came down to stimulus checks. And now, the Delta has frustrated the reopening trade. And we have a situation now where we're having tremendous fiscal stimulus withdrawal. We were supposed to have infrastructure by now, whether it's human or whether it's physical. That's hit some snags. So there's lots of uncertainty right now, Sarah. And I think the problem I was saying all along, or maybe the challenge for the market, was how it was priced. And we went into September with the CAPE PE at 38.3. In February of 2000, it was 31. And I was saying back then, when you're priced for perfection, we're going to find out the world isn't perfect. Like, who was calling for a health crisis? But the reality is that, the higher you are, the harder you fall. We have a 38.3 KPE multiple. It's only been as high as this or higher during the dot-com bubble back in 99 and 2000. So I think that's part of the problem here, is that the market is extremely overvalued. I think that we're in a correction phase right now. I don't think it's the end of the world, and this will be a correction you can buy. But I'm not convinced, because the market has been trading heavy now. I know that you're all looking at, the major averages, but beneath the surface, there's been tremendous erosion beneath the surface in terms of divergences, so on and so forth. The market's been trading heavy now for the past several weeks.